Welcome to Autospeed Vibes, a full-size truck's power, an SUV's comfort, and a sedan's fuel efficiency. Impossible, right? Think again. The 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid is here to break all the rules, giving you the best of all worlds in one compact pickup. Whether you're a city driver or an outdoor adventurer, this truck is designed to fit your lifestyle perfectly. Let's dive into what makes it a total game-changer, only on Autospeed Vibes. The 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid isn't just another small truck, it's redefining what a pickup should be. Built for those who want versatility without the gas-guzzling drawbacks, this hybrid pickup offers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. With its innovative design, comfortable interior, and a powertrain that saves you money at the pump, it's a smart choice for city drivers and weekend adventurers alike. On the outside, the Maverick Hybrid maintains its rugged yet modern appeal. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular stance make it stand out in the compact truck segment. Blacked-out trim options and stylish alloy wheels give it a premium touch, while its practical bed design includes the FlexBed system, allowing for customizable storage and easy access. Whether you need it for work or recreation, this truck's design is as functional as it is stylish. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious and tech-packed cabin. The intuitive 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. High-quality materials and smart storage solutions make the interior both comfortable and practical. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 Safety Suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, enhances the driving experience by keeping you safe in every condition. Under the hood, the Maverick Hybrid pairs a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined 191 horsepower. The real star here is the fuel efficiency. Expect an impressive 40 miles per gallon in the city, making it the most fuel-efficient pickup on the market. The smooth CVT transmission ensures a refined drive, while its payload capacity of up to 1,500 pounds and a towing capability of 2,000 pounds mean it's more than just an urban commuter, it's a true workhorse when needed. Ford keeps the Maverick Hybrid's pricing competitive, with a starting price around $24,000. That makes it one of the most affordable trucks you can buy in 2025, especially considering its hybrid powertrain and feature-packed interior. The key selling point? You're getting truck capability with hybrid efficiency at a price that won't break the bank. If you've been waiting for a truck that's budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and packed with smart features, the 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid is the perfect pick. Let us know in the comments, would you choose this hybrid over a traditional gas-powered truck? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more exciting car reviews, only on Autospeed Vibes. See you in the next one.